Hi everyone, welcome. Today I will be talking about JavaScript, one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. It's the language that makes websites come alive, adding interactive animations and real-time updates. Without JavaScript, web pages would just be static text and images. Along with HTML, CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the web. It was originally created in 1995 for Netscape browser, and now it's used by millions of developers across the globe. And today topics we are discussing about introduction to JavaScript, why JavaScript is important, core concepts like variables, functions, conditions, and loops, and next are DOM manipulation, modern features like ES6, Node.js, and frameworks. Well, now I am starting about why JavaScript is so important. JavaScript's main job is to make web pages interactive and dynamic. It can respond to user actions like clicks, typing, scrolling, and hovering. But JavaScript does not stop at the browser anymore. Today, it is used in three main areas. Front-end development, building the visible part of websites using frameworks like React Angular. Backend development with Node.js, we can build powerful servers and APIs. Mobile and desktop apps through tools like React Native and Electron. Now move on to code screen and explain basics with simple HTML plus JavaScript example. And in body will here I am writing head to tag. In this I am writing JavaScript basics demo. Here I'm writing script p tag id is equal to output script. This I'm writing here I writing variable. let name is equal to deva, let age is equal to 25. Hmm. Displaying on screen. Document dot get unit id output in the HTML name. My name is name. Here we have to keep flower brackets. And age. Age yes world. My name is okay. Next function. Functions. Function add a comma b. Return a plus b. Console dot log sum of 10 plus 20 is now I'm writing conditions. If less than or equal to 20, you you have here console log dot Here I'm writing else statement. Else console.log were a minor. Here and I thought about the loops for let I plus plus into the three loop count I. Okay, come on, let's go to the example. Here I use it. Here I use it. Let the declare the variable name here, and the variable name and age, and use it the template like literal C backlight to easily display the text with variables. Then I created a function. Then I created a function to add two numbers. That's the reusable code. If code checks if the user is 18 or older, and finally for loop runs a block of code multiple times. All of these variable functions, conditions, and loops are the basic building blocks of JavaScript. Now I will explain about the DOM manipulation. There is a is there a this way the JavaScript becomes the powerful. The DOM of document object model is a structured representation of the HTML elements. With the JavaScript we can target any element using document get element id and changes it dynamically. Here clicking the button changes the text and background color all the real time without reloading the page. Now I'll write the small code and show you how it runs. I'm taking h2 id is equal to title come to my page. Now I'll show you it's running or not. See here it's showing welcome to my page. Hmm? Now I'm writing button on click change text click me button on click is equal to sorry guys. click button is equal to see change text, change color. I am giving here change color. I am closing here. Change color. Script adding there. Here I am writing function changes. Sorry, I have read it wrong. Function change text. Here I am writing document dot get element id title in element in text change. You click on the button. Okay, I am writing another function for change color. Document type. Here I have to change body dot style dot background color. Light green. I am running. See here. Okay. See. By here is the DOM or document is a structured representation with JavaScript. We target on the element using document get element by ID get element by ID and changes it dynamically. Here clicking the button, it changes the text and background color without reloading the page. This is how the most hmm, this is how the most websites react instantly to your friends. Uh, JavaScript has modern JavaScript features and real. And one more thing, JavaScript is now used in almost every technology field, from web development, mobile apps, game development, AI dashboards to serverless clouding function. Frameworks like React and Angular help build the front end, while Node.js and Express powerly the back end. For example, companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix uses JavaScript at scale because it is a fast, flexible, and works anywhere. Uh, Uh, Today we learned to summarize everything we learned today. JavaScript is the language of the web. It makes the sites interactive and smart. It can run on both the client side browser and server side Node.js. It supports both object oriented and functional programming. With modern frameworks, JavaScript is now used to build almost everything from websites to full stack apps and even AI tools. So, if you plan to start web development, JavaScript is the best place to begin. Thank you for listening. I hope this section gave you a clear understanding of JavaScript. Thank you, guys.